Oh my. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Urban Florida Fishing. My name is Will, and today I'm going to be fishing this prop swim bait from Chase Baits, and I'm going to be throwing it right here behind me and in a couple other ponds. And I'm also going to be using my Cicada today, and let's see what we can pull out. Okay, I got my prop swim bait and a few big bass, but I'm not so sure what they're going to want to hit on, so let's go ahead and get fishing here and see what we can. Oh yeah, I got one right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, well, it flew off, but I got him. He flew off my line, but I got him. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at this. Sweet. Awesome bass. Nice little bass right there. Look at that. Right away on the prop duster here, right away he hit it. Nice little bass. Look at that. Let me see if I can get a good look at him. Look at the inside. Nice bass. He hit it. Oh man, that was exciting. First one on the prop duster there. Oh, got one. Oh, come on. No, I just had a bite, you guys. I just had a bite. Had one on the line. He came off. Oh, got one. Got one. Yep, he's sitting right in the grass right there. Got one. Got one on the Cicada right there. Look at that. Sweet little bass. Caught him right on the edge. Let's go ahead and give him a put back. What do you guys say? All right, let's release him. Let's let him go. Right here, buddy. Let's find a good spot to release him. Right there. Toss him back. All right. It's too far away from the edge. Okay, let's. Oh, just missed another one. Just missed another one. Oh my. Yep. Good one. Good one right there. Yep, nice. Nice fish. Nice fish. Yes. Another nice fish on the Cicada here. Look at that. I love this Cicada. It's absolutely amazing. Let's get him off the hook. There we go. Super nice fish. Healthy. Nice sized bass. Look at that. Say hello. Let's go ahead and put him back. Okay. Let's go ahead and put. There we go, buddy. There he goes. Enjoy your day. Nice fish. Oh yeah, got him. Got him right there. He's on. He's on. He's on. Yep. Come on in here, baby. Come on in here. Yep, come on in. Come on in. Oh, another one. Oh my goodness. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is like my 5th fish today. How many fish is that? I can't even keep track. Oh my goodness, look at this. on the cicada. Oh my God. Okay, got another one on the cicada here. As you can see it right there. See the cicada? I'm gonna get him off. I was getting ready to leave and threw my line out one last time. Leave the spot anyways, and then landed this nice fish here. This cicada is absolutely awesome. I'm just so happy that I was able to. Okay, let's go ahead and put him. Ripped it. Normally once they rip it once, they don't come back. Oh yeah, yeah, got him, come on, yeah, got him. Nice fish, nice fish right there. Yep, another nice fish on the cicada here. Another one. Oh, there he goes. Okay, all right, look at this. This is like I don't even know, lost count how many fish I caught. This is a little one, but it's a good one. He gave me a good fight right there. Let's go ahead and release this little one. Let's get a little video of him. Thanks, buddy, for letting me catch you. Let's go ahead and release him right here into the water. Nice and easy right there. There we go. There he goes. There he goes. Back to the net. Okay. All right, get bigger so I can catch another day. Oh yeah, another one. Goodness, I'm on fire today. I'm on fire. Little one, but a good one. Ow, 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 ow. That really hurt. Okay, I got it. I get it. It hurts. It hurts. Okay, let's get it. Okay. All right. Calm down. Let's get you off. Another one on the cicada. Gosh, I love this lure. All right, let's get him a put back in there. There you go, buddy. See ya. Oh yeah, another one right here. Look at that. Nice. Another one. That's a nice one right there. Gosh, they're little. I need a big one. Come on, guys, give me a big one here. Okay, nice. Another little one here. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how many fish I caught today. That's a lot of fish. All right, buddy. See ya. Got him. Little one, another one. Whew, these little ones just love the cicadas right here. Look at that. Another little one. Okay. Another out. Another little one. All right, let's go ahead and give him a release right here. Let's go ahead and give him a release. There he goes. Enjoy your day, buddy. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Another successful day of fishing with a prop duster and the cicada. This is my favorite lure, guys. I've caught a lot of fish today. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the videos I'm going to be uploading. Thank you for watching and have a great day.